Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Are you a new visitor? Do consider subscribing for interesting, easy, tried and tested recipes. You know, sprouts and paneer are a really good combination. I love to make this curry and usually serve it with paratha or pav. Here's the quick jhatpat recipe for you. Let's get started. Cumin seeds or jeera, carom seeds or ajwain, finely chopped green chilies, salt to taste, jaggery or gur, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, red chili powder, amchur or dry mango powder, hing or asafoetida, ginger garlic paste and lime, moong sprouts, fresh tomato paste, vegetable oil, paneer cut into small cubes and some cornstarch or corn flour. Coat the paneer pieces with the corn flour. They are ready to be fried. Deep fry the paneer pieces till they are nice and crispy. These look done. Drain them on absorbent paper. Heat some oil in a pan. Add in the cumin and the carom seeds. Add in all the dry spices and the ginger garlic paste. Add in the chopped green chilies. Fry this on low heat briefly. Add in the tomato paste. Cook this till the oil starts separating. The oil has started separating. It will start floating to the top. Can you see that? I'll just wash the bowl that had the tomato paste and add in a bit of water. Add in the sprouts. Season it with salt. Add in some water. Let that come to a boil. Add in the jaggery. Lower the heat. Cover and cook for about 5 minutes. Let's check on it. Just adjust the amount of water at this stage. So I'll add in a bit of water. Let it come to the boil. Turn off the heat. Sprinkle some chopped coriander and some lemon juice or lime juice. If you like the recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends. Add in some of the paneer pieces. Mix it up. That's ready to plate. Top it with a few pieces of fried paneer, chopped coriander and some save. Serve the curry with paratha or pav, or you could sprinkle some chopped onions and crushed papri on top and have it as a chaat. Remember to click the bell icon when you subscribe.